All right, welcome to part two. We're going to talk here about finding an inverse. So here I have a pretty simple function, 2x plus 7. Our first step when we find an inverse is we want to rewrite as y equals. Sometimes we'll get this in y equals form, but if we're dealing with function notation, we're going to assume that we're going to start with f of x. So I'm just replacing f of x with y equals. My next step, I'm going to flip x and y. So that's going to be a direct substitution here. So x equals to y plus 7. And my last step is going to be solve for y. And when we solve for y, that's when we're trying to isolate that variable. And I'm going to work backwards through my order of operations. Right now I have 2y plus 7, so I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. Right now, y is being multiplied by 2, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. And now that I have a y equals statement, I have my inverse. The finishing touch here, we can put it back into our inverse notation. We can write this as f to that -1, that inverse of x notation. The inverse of f of x is x minus 7 divided by 2. So these three steps are going to be the ones we follow every single time. You're going to go ahead and try a few of these examples in the Schoology quiz.